Okay, we're in business.
All right, how's it going, guys? This is Brad and John with Best Price Nutrition. We have something kind of different today. So if you're in the industry or you've seen something about this has kind of been going on for, I think, what did we get the other thing last week?
See, so what it starts off, a random wrench shows up
Yeah.
here with no name, no
Nothing.
packaging.
Yeah, it was a black box, really cool box, and you open it up, it's just this weird big black wrench with my name spelled wrong in there. Not salty, but it didn't really say anything was going on, and it said you'll find out something more later. We don't have the wrench now because we didn't know what it was for. I think we put it in back. But we got this today, and this is
Giant oil barrel.
Yes, a huge tub. It says Unbound on it. So what we're going to do is open it up right now, see what's inside, and go through it. We assume it's going to be supplements, right? That'd be weird if it wasn't.
So, right?
Yeah, and we did get this loosened up, but that's definitely what the wrench was for. You're kind of supposed to crank it open.
So I kind of cheated a little bit and found a little bit of info online. At first I thought this was going to be like a marketing agency or something, but
Yeah.
It turns out it is a supplement company that's going to be dropping today. But yeah, I'm excited to see what we got in store here.
Yeah, I mean, whoever made this probably came from a marketing company. It's super legit. It's like heavy duty. All right. So off the get-go, we've got a little note. My name's spelled wrong. Congratulations, part of an elite group, the blah. It's basically saying in this barrel you're going to find 6 assets: unload, unlock, unbent, build, sauce, and slim. These are going to be like 6 products that they're coming out with, it looks like. So,
This is
off the get-go.
This is pretty nice.
This is. You're not done. Keep digging for more swag. So there's stuff in here. Off the get-go, we've got sauce.
We should tell these other supplement companies, step up your game. Don't
Yeah.
just spam email us. Send us a tub or something.
Don't call me 5 times a week. Send me something like this. This has got our interest. So they've
With
got
the sauce.
sauce. It's a testosterone amplifier.
Okay.
Let me keep it in there. Looks good. We've got Slin, which is a GDA, a glucose disposal agent.
Popular category recently.
Yeah, it's definitely getting a lot more popular. Build, it is a hypertrophic muscle builder. So it's not a pro-hormone. It's got, we'll go over it later, but it's basically a non-hormonal muscle builder. Next layer, we've got unload, unbent, and unlock. Unlock is a powdered fat burner. Yeah. And you know what I noticed just real quick? I've seen a lot of trademark ingredients in here. Inno Slim, Rodeo Prime. So I think this is going to be very, very high quality stuff.
I'm interested in seeing these formulas here.
Yeah. So we got Beyond Pre-Workout. This is Unload. So this is their stimulant pre-workout. It's got a cool skull on there. Well, I guess they all kind of got skulls. I guess that's the deal. And we've got Unbent, which is their pump. So they're non-stim pre. Very cool. And then we've got different types of hat. Very nice. It's a pretty cool hat. A shaker, which is actually super legit.
I like the metal shakers.
Yeah, that's really nice.
It's not going to taste like stale protein after 3 uses.
Yeah, it's not going to be all plasticky. That's actually really, really nice. We've got a shirt, and I'm not sure if we got to give away all their information. Oh, it's just like to their... Oh. Guess, you know what I said earlier? That this was probably part of another company?
Right. Okay.
Yeah, I knew it was going to be, because they have to have your information. Should we let them know who it is? It's going to be, I don't know. Yeah, we'll let them know, but it'll be different. If we end up pulling it in, which we probably will.
So let me get this set up, and you just want to do, we'll run through and take a look at some of these formulas really quickly.
Yeah, for sure.
Sorry for the camera work, guys. We're trying to get this up
ASAP.
quickly.
So we got sauce, the testosterone amplifier. I'm not going to go through dosages. I'm just going to go through what's in there. So there's vitamin D3, zinc. There is Spillanthus. Never heard of that. Ashwagandha, KSM 66. There's Shilajit.
I like Shilajit.
Yeah, and that's a trademark version. The KSM 66 is trademarked. There's fenugreek, LJ100, which is the Uricoma longifolia extract. That's a trademark version. We got DIM, boron, and bioperine.
You know what that seems similar to that I'm surprised they don't make, so it was really popular? Purist Labs had a test booster that was very similar in formula to that one.
Yeah, I think they did. Here, do you want to go over this one, the Slim?
So what we got here, this is the GDA. We got, I'm not familiar with this one, Mamorcidin,
Never heard of that.
Banaba, agmatine sulfate, GS4 plus, Ceylon cinnamon, Glucovantage. Of course, you got to give me the one that I don't know any of.
There's stuff on there I don't know.
Ala, looks like a patented branded version of alpha lipoic acid, and some bioparin for absorption.
Nice. Yeah, there's a lot of ingredients I've never heard of before in here. So this is Build. So this is going to be their non-hormonal muscle builder. So there's Mediator 50P, which is like a phosphatidic acid product. Proepicate, which is epicatechin. Laxosterone, which is a laxogenin, astrogen, and apigenin. All 5 of those ingredients are trademark ones. All right, let's see. Which one do you want to do?
I'm in the pre-workout. So let's see, we got the Unload pre-workout. Let's see what do we got here. Some B vitamins, always good. Some tyrosine for some focus there. The New Level, which is a patented arginine.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Or it's like a nootropic type deal.
Alpha GPC. Yeah, like you said, a lot of patented branded ingredients here. Zynamite, 350 milligrams of caffeine. So this one's packing some decent energy. Rodeo Prime, which is a patented rodeo. Yeah, almost everything in here is like a branded ingredient. Let's see, Zen Extra, which is, I'm not familiar with that. Alpina Galagan extract. Mucunapurians, estrogen for absorption, rawolsine, and what's getting really popular, yohimbine or yohimbi in pre-workouts. Yes, we got 2 milligrams of yohimbi, so that's also some good thermogenesis and energy, and then the huperzine A. But
that's good.
Yeah, everything good ingredients, branded ingredients. Everything's well dosed.
Yeah, for sure. That's definitely a good one. To the fat burner. Ooh, mojito. I bet that's a good flavor.
I didn't even look at the what we got here. This is notice someone else is doing lychee, grape lychee.
Tangelo.
Some interesting flavors too.
Yeah. What was that other one? What was that?
It was another new brand we're looking at. Oh, Beaumont.
Yeah. So this is Beyond Fat Burn Unlock. We've got acetyl L-carnitine. We've got the Unbound Burn Blend, which is L-Baba, GBB, and Grains of Paradise. And those 3 ingredients are super, super powerful. Very, very good for fat burning. We've got L-tyrosine, Rodeo Prime, InnoSlim, caffeine. We got 100 milligrams. We got that Zoom XR. Oh, it's yielding 50 milligrams / 100 milligrams delayed release caffeine. Tocobutyrol, it's a good thermogenic. And then the Laminaria japonica, it's 10% glucoxanthin. So yeah, it's actually a pretty good one. I think you'd sweat like a mug on that thing.
You know what? I know you're a big fan of the non-stim pump supplements.
Yeah.
This one is just gonna like that. They got the pink Himalayan salt, but it looks like some really good dosages of citrulline and some of that stuff.
Definitely. So the clinical dose, the basic dose that you want of L-citrulline is 3 grams, and this is L, it's not malate. So you get 4 grams in here, which is pretty good. There's betaine, which you get 15 to 100 milligrams. Betaine is really, really good. It's an osmolyte. You've got arginine nitrate, betaine nitrate, and you want nitrates because those are going to increase nitric oxide a lot. They're really, really good at it. It's like if you eat beets, they're full of nitrates. That's why it's good for vascularity. You've got Hydroprime, which is a 65% standardized glycerol powder as a gram. Not a crazy amount, but it's nice to have it in there. Taurine at a gram. You got Vasodrive AP, which is a trademark version. It's casein hydrolysate, standardized for lactotripeptides. Okay, that's a crazy thing. All right. Grapeseed extract, Himalayan pink salt at 250 milligrams, which is a very decent amount.
Give you a real nice pump.
Yeah, and then estrogen. So honestly, everything in here is really, really good. I could see it all doing very well. Yeah, I don't think we're not going to bring this in. This sounds really, really cool.
Well, I can only imagine, customers love the swag, and I know everybody around the office does. I can only imagine after coming out with this, they're going to have some pretty cool swag and good promo stuff.
Yeah, and you know what? I didn't say what brand it was, did I?
No.
So this is tied to another brand that we have that I think we've talked about quite a bit on this channel. If you can guess what brand it is, maybe we can send one of these products to them for free.
I thought we were going to leave it in the kitchen here. But you know what? I say, just to give them a little hint, another supplement we recently reviewed you were a huge fan of by this company.
Yes. A product that we recently reviewed that I've never really used that type before, that I used it and I really liked it. If you can guess what it is, we'll hook you up with something. So just leave a comment down below if you can guess what brand is tied to Unbound.
And then make sure to subscribe to the YouTube, follow us on Instagram, because as soon as we get this into the warehouse, we'll drop something letting everybody know, maybe doing a review or something.
Definitely. All right. Thanks,
Later,
guys.